How to make a full cap wig template. Making a head template is a must if you plan to order a full cap wig. The template is the best way to get an accurate and well-fitting wig. It's used by the factory to create a mold of your head and ensures your wig perfectly fits the size, shape, and contour of your head, which allows the system to feel more secure and comfortable. Making a head template by yourself will be quite difficult, so get someone to help you on this. Things you will need for making a full cap head template. You will need plastic kitchen wraps, a temporary marker, a piece of contour tape in the contour shape you want, a permanent marker, clear or transparent cellophane tape about 3/4 of an inch wide, and a pair of household scissors. Step 1. Determine the coverage area. First, find where your hairline begins and use a temporary marker and leave a mark or line in that spot. Get a general idea of the whole area you want to cover, including the temple area, sideburn, and nape areas. Get a piece of contour tape and align it along your hairline. This will be very helpful when you trace the coverage area in Step 3. Step 2. Place the plastic wrap on your head. When making a full cap head template, one-piece plastic wrap won't be wide enough. So the first thing to do is take 2 pieces of plastic wrap in around 3 feet long and aligning 2 pieces of plastic wrap together and using tape to bond these 2 pieces. In this way, you will have a big plastic wrap around 2 feet wide and 3 feet long. Lay the plastic wrap on your head and adjust it to the position that it covers the whole head, and there is some extra for buffer in the front and back, and you have equal length of plastic wrap left on both sides. Twist the ends of the plastic wrap and tie a knot. Make sure the plastic wrap is tight on your head, but don't stretch it because it will shrink when it is removed. It is important to make sure the plastic wrap is laying smooth and flat on your scalp. To keep the plastic wrap flat around your ear, cut a small slit in the plastic below the top edge of your ear. Release your ear from the plastic wrap and hook the remaining plastic wrap behind your ear. Make sure it is smooth and flat and tape it in place. Step 3. Trace the coverage area. Mark your crown area with a cross mark. Use the permanent marker to draw the area that you want the wig to cover. When drawing the line, make it thin but visible. If the line is too thick, we won't be able to tell if you want the edge of your wig to be at the top, middle, or bottom edge of the line. Step 4. Apply tapes onto your head. First, apply 2 pieces of tape in the front and in the nape area separately. This helps keep the template in place. Then apply tape from side to side, from the front to the back, and make sure every area is covered with tape. Then apply a second layer of tape vertically from top to bottom. Step 5. Cut out the template. Remove the template from your head slowly. Then cut the template out, leaving a ½ inch buffer outside the line you drew earlier. The next step is mailing in your template to us. Please enclose a note with your name and contact info on it and send it to LaVivid Hair, 18305 East Valley Boulevard, Suite C, La Puente, California, 91744. After we receive your template, we will send it to our factory side and they will start the production accordingly. Feel free to contact us through support@lavividhair.com for any assistance you might need.